my name is Anya,
Hi, my name is Daphne. I'm Anya's mum.
and today we really want to make some Funfetti cupcakes with some pastel buttercream. So if you like this video, give it a like,
Comment and subscribe to Anya's channel.
and I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 2.5 cups of flour, add in 3 teaspoons baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. Set aside. In a bowl with 1 cup of butter, add in 1 cup of sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add in 4 eggs, one at a time. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add the dry ingredients and 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk, starting and ending with the dry ingredients. Fold in 3/4 cup of sprinkles. Spoon your batter into prepared cupcake cases. And sprinkle on some more sprinkles. And bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 14 to 17 minutes. I used my basic buttercream recipe, which I'll link, and I just added a few drops of blue, pink and yellow. I placed all 3 colours in a row on a piece of cling wrap. I rolled that piece of cling wrap up and I placed it into a piping bag. Pipe uncooled cupcakes. Add some silver balls on top. I added a sparkler for New Year's. Enjoy some Funfetti cupcakes with some pastel buttercream.